Okay, Pete, here's the problem with the microwave. Here's the tag that came with 137406. So let's put some water in there, which I did. We'll close it up and let's dial, let's say, a quick minute. And we press start. And in 2 seconds just quits. Basically cuts off after 2 seconds. Let's try to dial sometime in 23 seconds. We press start and 2 seconds quits. Pretty much that's what it does. Use the tag inside. And of course the water is cold because, oh yeah, it doesn't run. We'll try one more time. Let's put 10 minutes for that matter. Let's put 19 minutes. Okay, and we press start. And it quits. Anyway, I'll have this emailed to you. Sorry for a crude video.